do it no other way. I appreciate you.
Let's go out and look and see what you finna get.
Okay. Okay.
Here's one of my life jackets. I have both of them other life jackets that I had. They were dry rot. They.
Okay.
Foot color right here. You gonna have to. I'm gonna show you. I'll take that up my back. Yeah, you're gonna have to mount it up there.
Okay.
Get it and put it in the boat. I'm gonna show you.
I'm saying, well, you can show me when we get to the house. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get that thing hooked all up, man.
Show you everything.
We want to get it over to the house. You know, get out them over here. You got one oar in there.
The two in the boat, the two on me.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I gotta take this one off.
Yeah, that was another thing that I was going to do this side.
Get these over home. AutoZone, about the cheapest places. You know where the flea market is down in Bethel?
I'm pretty sure she does.
Yeah, go to the flea market down there. You can get them about 15 bucks.
Okay.
This is a 2-inch ball. You got to have an inch and 7/8 ball. You got to have this ball right here.
An inch and a 7/8 ball.
Yeah. See it with that.
On top.
Yeah.
Just remind me to write that on that paper that you got, and that's why I remember.
Okay.
You said that's a foot pedal. I control it with my foot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can work it with your hand.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Ain't want it.
You can do it both ways. But wait a minute. Now, let me see what it is.
This the foot.
What? No, you control it with your hand. Yeah. That's the one you control. This is tip. Now, man, this is good. I told him over right now. I'm in a pound for 30 pounds. Put the shit out there, though. You got to build you a little box up there and then bolt it down. Just like you do your seats. I show you what you got to do.
What was that on? That was a fish finder.
Huh? Yeah, fish finder was on there. On my other boat, see, I had a boat, man, the aluminum nice boat, and when that storm came, damn free. See, that's the stuff. I'll give you that stuff come off that boat. I give you this.